Alright, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Papatoodles back with another video. You know me, man, but yeah. And this time I'm actually gonna talk and make a tutorial for you guys, because I know you've all been asking for a tutorial, a second part and all that. So yeah, let's get into it. Hold up! New item shop? Ooh. Get me to 1,000 subs for critical. Alright, so what we're just gonna wanna do is get your emotes ready, you know what I'm saying? And then also get the volley girl, the new best skin in Fortnite, or any skin that you want. So yeah, just go into a freaking playground match and make sure to put it on day only, so you can get the best kind of screenshots. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Also, comment down below what kind of tutorials you guys want next. Like, you guys want some banners, some Twitter headers, some little profile pics, or another 3D thumbnail tutorial on mobile. What kind of tutorials do you guys want? Let me know in the comments down below. And also leave a like and subscribe, guys. You already know. I'm trying to join a clan, so if any of you clan leaders are watching and need a designer or even a player, just let me know. DM me on Twitter. Also follow me at Papatoodles. So yeah, let's get into the video. So all you're gonna want to do is just build on top of here and just do that. Doesn't matter what your background is, but you just want to be on the edge. So all you're just gonna want to do is do like an emote, or like the I don't know, any emotes you guys want. So after you do all the emotes and shit, all you're gonna want to do is go into the Fortnite replay mode. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, now that you're in the Fortnite replay mode, you're just gonna want to fast forward until she gets to where we did the emotes. You're gonna want to pause it, go to like around 50% speed, and then after that go into drone free. So you see you can change all the drone different styles. So all you're gonna want to do, just wait for her to do the emotes. Just fast forward a little bit until she does it. Okay, so pause. Okay, now take off the fully hidden HUD, and you're gonna want to get like this close. Whoa, you're looking a little bit sexy there, buddy. Alright, chill. So you're just gonna want to do, okay, actually we're gonna do 25 times speed, and you're just gonna want her to do her thing. So you're gonna want to get close like this, so you can get the highest quality of thumbnail. So you're gonna want to get like from this belt to the top of her head, or like her hair. You're gonna want that in the frame, and then let her do her emote, and then just take a screenshot. We'll use that later. Ooh, very lovely screenshot. Look at her big eyes, oh my god. Alright man, now that you got all your screenshots, you're just gonna want to upload to Twitter. Oh, before we actually do anything, you're still gonna want to go on fully hidden HUD, change the speed, and just get some background pictures like this. So just take a screenshot of that. Maybe take a screenshot of like this, because you're gonna want a different background. So maybe like this. Oh, actually, since it's a volleyball girl, we're gonna go to Lazy Links and take a nice screenshot from there. Alright, so you just want to get like a nice screenshot like this. Depending on what kind of like background you want, you're just gonna want to go into replay mode again and just take another screenshot. So just to get different angles and stuff, and you'll get a nice one. So yeah, now you're just gonna want to upload those to your Twitter. Alright, to upload these on Twitter, you're gonna want to hold share on the picture. You're gonna want to put change selection, and then click all the 4 that you want, and then after that just upload them. Alright, the apps you're gonna need are Pixelmator and Fonto if you want to add some text. You don't need Fonto if you don't want to add some text, but Pixelmator, it costs $6, so you're gonna have to buy it, or you can get it for free. But I don't really want to show you guys in this video. I might make a separate video if you guys want me to, or just look up a video on YouTube on how to get apps for free that are that cost money. So you're gonna go on to Pixelmator. Alright, now that you're in Pixelmator, you're gonna want to click the plus, and you're gonna want to put the thumbnail size. So you're gonna want it on 1280 by 720. Make sure to have constraint proportions off, and then you go and create it. After that, you're gonna want to go into the camera roll and use the screenshot that you want to use. I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use 2 different screenshots. So what you're gonna want to do is click on magnetic. If it's a clear, like you see how it's blue here and then white there, if it's like a clear distinction, you're gonna want to, you see how it like it's a magnet towards the colors. So right here I'm just gonna do free, and I'm gonna speed art this part right here. So you're just gonna want to cut out the whole skin. Alright, now that you cut out all the skin, you're just going to want to connect the two, press done, click on the actual skin, press duplicate, and now you got a duplicate. But because of the skin, you see how there's like scenery and right there? I couldn't cut that out, so what you're going to want to do is pull that back a layer, click on the skin, click on the tools, and click on hard erase, or no, size on 1% on erase. And you're gonna want to erase this whole scenery in the background. Alright, now that you're done erasing, you're going to want to get out of that. Press the plus. Add the 2 different backgrounds, or any backgrounds that you want to add to the back. Put the skin a layer up, and then after that, click on the actual background. Put adjust colors, and then change whatever you want on the background. I'm going to add some saturation and some brightness because it makes the skin pop out. Press apply afterwards, and then click add effects, blur it, but like not too much, like 14, 12, like 16%, 20%. Yeah, 20% looks good. And then click done. And now you're also gonna want to do that to the other background just in case. I'll press vibrate this time, and then click on add effects, blur it again. 19% looks good. Press done. Then you're gonna want to switch to the skin, click on it, and then press format. Go scroll down a bit, add some shadow, click on the color, slide this little thing down all the way to the right, and then move the little cube to the white. After that, you have a little glow. You're gonna want to add some blur, and then want to do for this kind of style is press select, click on the free tool, because I'm gonna do like a half and half style. So you're just gonna want to click one corner like that, and then just click on the outside gray area so you don't get none of the actual background. Oh, connect them, press done, duplicate as well, deselect. You're gonna want to move this in the back. You're gonna want to make this a little glow too by clicking shadow, sliding all the way to the right, clicking the white, and then blur that out, and then offset it so you can see it more clearly. Okay, and then because you did this, to make it pop out, click shadow again, slide it to the right, but this time leave it at black, and then offset it so it really stands out. Blur it almost all the way, like 73, and then put an angle of like negative 69 degrees range. Alright, so the last thing you're gonna want to do on the skin is click on it, click adjust colors, and then add a little bit of pop to it. So add a little brightness, a little saturation, a little contrast, apply, and then do the same thing for the next skin. Alright, I think you guys are done now. Alright guys, I think that's a tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you guys want any new tutorials on banners, Twitter headers, like profile pics, anything you guys want, I can make. I'll link down my portfolio in the description, And also, I'll link a couple channels that you should subscribe to, like my brother's Johnny Place. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. You already know all that good shit. So yeah, follow me on Twitter, PapaTitoesYT, by the way, and use code PapaTitoes in the item shop. Later.